Struggling with bad credit? Think your entrepreneurial dreams are on hold? Think again. In this Money Smart Basics video, discover innovative financial strategies that let your business thrive, regardless of your credit score. Learn how your EIN can be the key to unlocking essential funding and growth opportunities. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Stay to the end to receive a bonus tip. Starting a business is tough. It takes guts, determination, and a whole lot of hustle. But what happens when your past financial mistakes cast a shadow over your entrepreneurial dreams? Bad personal credit can feel like a lead weight, dragging down your hopes of securing the funding you need. Traditional lenders like banks often shy away from entrepreneurs with low credit scores. They see risk, not potential. This can be incredibly disheartening, especially when you're confident in your business idea. You need capital to make your vision a reality. Don't despair. There's a path forward, even with bad credit. You can still access the funds you need to launch and grow your business. It's time to discover the power of EIN credit. This is your wake-up call. Bad credit doesn't have to define your future. You can overcome this challenge and build the business of your dreams. What if you could separate your personal credit history from your business finances? That's the power of an employer identification number, EIN. Think of your EIN as your business's social security number. It establishes a distinct credit profile for your company, separate from your personal credit report. This separation is crucial. Lenders and creditors can evaluate your business's creditworthiness based on its own merits, not your past financial missteps. With an EIN, you can start building a positive credit history for your business from day one. This opens up a world of possibilities. You can access funding that might have been out of reach before. You can secure favorable terms with suppliers and vendors. You can even qualify for business credit cards, providing you with additional financial flexibility. The best part? Building EIN credit is entirely within your control. It's about making smart financial decisions for your business and establishing a track record of responsibility. Ready to unlock the potential of EIN credit? The first step is obtaining your EIN. It's a simple and free process through the IRS website. Once you have your EIN, it's time to lay the foundation for a strong business credit profile. Start by opening a dedicated business bank account. This separates your personal and business finances, making it easier to track expenses, manage cash flow, and demonstrate financial responsibility. Next, establish trade lines with vendors who report to business credit bureaus. These trade lines could include office supply companies, utility providers, or even your web hosting service. The key is to consistently pay your invoices on time, building a positive payment history. Remember, building strong business credit takes time and diligence, but the rewards are well worth the effort. A solid EIN credit score can be your ticket to accessing capital, securing favorable terms, and fueling your business growth. Building EIN credit is like constructing a sturdy building. You need a solid foundation. Vendor accounts are the building blocks of your business credit. Look for vendors who report to business credit bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. When you open a vendor account, make sure they report your payment history. This positive payment history will start to establish your business credit worthiness. Don't be afraid to ask vendors about their reporting practices. It's your right to know. Another effective strategy is to obtain business credit cards. These cards are specifically designed for business owners and often come with perks and rewards tailored to your needs. Start with secured business credit cards. These cards require a security deposit, which minimizes the risk for the lender. As you use the card responsibly and make timely payments, you'll gradually build your credit limit and improve your EIN credit score. Remember, responsible credit card use is crucial. Always pay your bills on time and in full to avoid interest charges and maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio. Negotiating net 30 terms with vendors is a win-win situation. It not only helps you build business credit but also improves your cash flow. Net 30 terms give you 30 days to pay your invoice after receiving the goods or services. This grace period provides you with valuable time to manage your finances effectively. When vendors extend net 30 terms, they are essentially extending you a line of credit. They are trusting your business to pay its debts on time. By consistently meeting your net 30 payment obligations, you demonstrate financial responsibility and build a positive credit history. This in turn strengthens your EIN credit score and makes you a more attractive borrower to lenders and creditors. Remember, communication is key. When negotiating net 30 terms, be upfront about your desire to build business credit. Explain how timely payments will benefit both parties involved. A solid track record of paying on time can open doors to larger lines of credit and more favorable terms in the future. Business credit cards can be powerful tools for entrepreneurs. They provide a convenient way to manage expenses, access short-term financing, and earn rewards. However, it's essential to use them responsibly. Before applying for a business credit card, carefully review the terms and conditions. Pay attention to interest rates, annual fees, and any associated perks. Choose a card that aligns with your business needs and spending habits. Once you have a business credit card, treat it like a valuable asset. Use it for essential business expenses and avoid unnecessary purchases. Always make your payments on time and in full to avoid interest charges and maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio. Remember, your goal is to build a positive credit history for your business. Overspending or missing payments can quickly derail your progress. By using business credit cards strategically and responsibly, you can fuel your business growth while strengthening your EIN credit profile. In the early stages of your business journey, you might not qualify for traditional bank loans. That's where microloans and alternative funding options come in. Microloans are small loans, typically ranging from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars. They are often offered by nonprofit organizations and community development financial institutions, CDFIs. These lenders are more focused on your business's potential than your credit score. They provide support and guidance to help you succeed. Alternative funding options, such as crowdfunding and peer-to-peer lending, have gained popularity in recent years. Crowdfunding platforms allow you to raise capital from a large number of individuals who believe in your business idea. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers directly with investors, bypassing traditional financial institutions. These alternative funding sources can be a viable option for startups and businesses with limited credit history. They offer flexibility and accessibility that traditional lenders often lack. Remember to thoroughly research and compare different microloan programs and alternative funding options to find the best fit for your business needs. Just like your personal credit score, it's crucial to monitor your business credit score regularly. This allows you to track your progress, identify potential issues, and take corrective action if needed. You can obtain your business credit report from the 3 major business credit bureaus: Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. Review your reports carefully for any inaccuracies or discrepancies. Dispute any errors promptly to ensure your credit score accurately reflects your business's financial health. Maintaining a healthy business credit score requires ongoing diligence. Pay all your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid opening too many new accounts in a short period. It's also essential to keep your business information updated with the credit bureaus. This includes your business name, address, and contact information. By actively monitoring and maintaining your business credit score, you protect your hard-earned progress and position your business for continued growth. While EIN credit can be a game changer for entrepreneurs with bad credit, it's essential to be aware of potential pitfalls. One common mistake is assuming that obtaining an EIN automatically grants you perfect credit. Building business credit takes time, effort, and responsible financial management. Another mistake is mixing personal and business finances. Always keep your business transactions separate and maintain accurate records. This not only helps you build EIN credit, but also simplifies your accounting and tax obligations. Be wary of predatory lenders who prey on businesses with poor credit. These lenders often charge exorbitant interest rates and fees, trapping you in a cycle of debt. Finally, don't fall for credit repair scams that promise to erase negative items from your business credit report overnight. Building a positive credit history takes time and consistent effort. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can harness the power of EIN credit responsibly and set your business up for long-term success. Starting a business with bad credit can feel like an uphill battle. But here's the empowering truth. Your past financial mistakes don't have to define your future. EIN credit provides a fresh start. A chance to build a solid financial foundation for your business. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and proving to the world that you're capable of responsible money management. Remember, every successful entrepreneur faces challenges along the way. Bad credit is just one hurdle you can overcome with the right knowledge, strategies, and determination. Embrace the journey, stay committed to your goals, and never underestimate the power of your entrepreneurial spirit. You have what it takes to build a thriving business, even with bad credit. Congratulations on taking the first step toward financial freedom by exploring the world of EIN credit. This is your journey, and you're in the driver's seat. Remember, building a successful business takes time, effort, and resilience. There will be challenges along the way, but don't let bad credit hold you back. Use the strategies outlined in this essay to establish your EIN credit, access funding, and fuel your business growth. Stay informed, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. The power to create a brighter future for yourself and your business is within your grasp. Now go out there and make it happen.
Please don't forget, like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics video. Disclaimer: the content provided on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. The information presented is intended to be general in nature and should not be construed as professional financial advice.